Discover the Eco Collection by Golden Elite Deco, the perfect blend of style and practicality. Available in 4 versatile sizes: 72, 60, 48, and 40 inches, the Eco Collection adapts to any bathroom space. Choose your perfect countertop: pristine white polymarble or sophisticated black engineered quartz. The taupe oak finish brings warmth and natural texture to your bathroom, while the clean, contemporary lines create a timeless aesthetic that complements any decor. Each vanity features an integrated sink for seamless style with single or double faucet drilling options. The soft close drawers and doors operate whisper quiet, and hidden handles maintain the sleek, minimalist look. Built for durability with a sturdy, freestanding design that stands the test of time. Complete your bathroom transformation with the matching wall-hung linen cabinet in Taupe Oak. Need to remove a drawer? Simply open it. Find the screws on the bottom. Remove them with a drill or screwdriver. Then lift up the drawer. To reinstall, just fit it back into the holes. Replace the screws, it's that easy. The Eco Collection, sophisticated storage solutions. Visit one of our 4 locations or shop online at Golden Elite Deco.